Hey, take my money. Ooh. Can this fan have really so strong wind and suitable in the summer? Oh no, where to install this? So I bought this to test. Let's go. Ooh. Wow. Oh. Ooh. And there's remote. Is this good? You can see the wind is very strong. The sound is not loud. Ooh. You can see the light is very bright and the wind is strong. Ooh. Good. Before you buy it, make sure in your house have this suitable to put on. And you can see the size is not very big. If you have a big house, this is not suitable. If just a garage, a small house, it is good. I will give it 4 stars.